In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal in Pipedrive. Deleting a deal is something you'll eventually need to do, whether you've created a test deal, added something by mistake, or simply want to keep your pipeline clean and focused only on active opportunities. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the fastest and most straightforward way to remove a deal from your Pipedrive account, and I'll explain what's happening at each step so you feel confident before you hit that final delete button. First, start by opening Pipedrive and navigating to the deal you want to remove. This might be from your pipeline view, from a list of deals, or from a search result. The important thing is that you actually open that specific deal so you're looking at its detailed view, not just the overview on the board. Take a moment to double-check that this is truly the deal you want to delete, because once it's gone, you may not be able to recover all the information easily, depending on your account settings and permissions. With the deal open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 dots in a row. This is often labeled as the More menu or Options. This menu is where Pipedrive keeps additional actions that don't fit on the main toolbar. Go ahead and click that 3-dot icon to open the drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see several options related to managing the deal. Scroll or look through the list until you find the option labeled Delete. This is the command that will remove the deal from your pipeline. Click on Delete once. At this stage, Pipedrive will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the deal. This confirmation step is there to protect you from accidentally removing something important with a single click. Read the confirmation message carefully so you're sure you understand that this will remove the deal and its associated data from your active pipeline. If you're absolutely sure this is the correct deal and you no longer need it, click Delete again to confirm. After a moment, the deal will be removed and you'll be taken back to your previous view, such as your pipeline or deals list. That's all there is to it. By opening the deal, using the More menu, choosing Delete, and confirming, you can quickly and cleanly remove any deal you no longer need in Pipedrive.